The concept of Nordic extraterrestrials refers to a subset of extraterrestrial beings that are commonly described as having physical characteristics resembling those of human beings from northern European countries, particularly Scandinavia, hence the term Nordic. Descriptions of Nordic extraterrestrials vary quite a bit, but they typically include the following features. The appearance of Nordic extraterrestrials are often described as tall, slender, and humanoid, with fair skin, light hair that is often blonde, and blue or light-colored eyes. They are said to possess an overall attractive appearance similar to that of stereotypical Scandinavian humans. In fact, it has been suggested that these Nordic beings can seamlessly integrate into our human society, making it very difficult to distinguish them from Earth people. Indeed, several have been reported to be living on the Earth at various times. The demeanor of Nordic ETs are commonly depicted as very benevolent, peaceful, and spiritually advanced beings. They are often portrayed as emissaries of love, light, and wisdom, with a strong emphasis on promoting harmony and enlightenment among humans. Some believe that Nordic extraterrestrials have been visiting our planet for centuries or even millennia, while others believe their contact began more recently, perhaps during the 20th century. Nordic extraterrestrials are associated with advanced technology, including spacecraft that are capable of interstellar travel. However, unlike some other extraterrestrial beings in UFO lore, Nordic ETs are often depicted as using their technology for peaceful purposes and humanitarian endeavors, rather than conquest or domination. Some of the Nordic ETs have been critical to the upcoming realization of off-world medbed technology for the people of Earth, who must understand that these technologies are being given out of love and that we should not be afraid but grateful and loving to these evolved beings. Nordic ETs have been reported in accounts of UFO sightings, alien abductions, and contactee experiences. In these narratives, they may interact with humans, imparting spiritual teachings, offering guidance, or warning about potential threats to humanity and the planet. One of their main concerns is the proliferation of weapons on planet Earth. As mentioned, Nordic extraterrestrials are enlightened beings or cosmic guardians, assisting humanity in its spiritual evolution. Nordic extraterrestrials are not from one planet or civilization. They can be from various planets and star systems across different galaxies. Some Nordic ETs are associated with star systems such as the Pleiades, also known as the Seven Sisters or Messier 45. They are said to originate from planets orbiting stars within the Pleiades star cluster. Others are said to come from the Vega star system, which is located approximately 25 light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Lyra. Still, other Nordic ETs have also been associated with the Sirius star system, particularly with the idea of the Syrian High Council or Syrian beings, who are said to have advanced spiritual knowledge and technology. We must not forget the Arcturians, who have been linked to the Arcturus star system, with some accounts describing them as beings from the planet Arcturus, who are spiritually evolved and benevolent. Additionally, there are claims of Nordic ETs originating from other star systems and galaxies beyond our own Milky Way, although specific details may vary depending on the sources and interpretations. Quite a few individuals have channeled or communicated with Nordic extraterrestrial beings, some on a regular basis. This typically involves individuals acting as mediums or channels, purportedly receiving messages or guidance from Nordic ETs through psychic or telepathic means. Some notable figures who have claimed to have communicated with Nordic ETs include 1. George Adamski. Adamski was an early figure in the UFO contactee movement who claimed to have had encounters with extraterrestrial beings, including Nordic-looking space brothers. He wrote several books describing his alleged interactions and travels aboard extraterrestrial spacecraft. 2. Billy Meier. Meier is a Swiss UFO contactee who claims to have had ongoing contact with extraterrestrial beings from the Pleiades star system, whom he referred to as the Pleiadians, or Plagiaren. Some of the beings described in Meier's accounts have Nordic-like features. 3. Elizabeth Clarer. Clarer was a South African UFO contactee who claimed to have had romantic and telepathic encounters with a Nordic-looking extraterrestrial named Akon from the planet Meton in the Alpha Centauri star system. She wrote about her experiences in the book Beyond the Light Barrier. 4. Barbara Marciniak. Marciniak is an author and channeler who claims to have received messages from a group of beings known as the Pleiadians through her channeling sessions. These Pleiadians are described as Nordic in appearance and are said to offer insights and guidance for humanity's spiritual evolution. 5. Daryl Anka. Anka is a channeler who claims to communicate with an extraterrestrial entity known as Bashar. While Bashar is not explicitly described as Nordic in appearance, some depictions of him show characteristics reminiscent of Nordic ETs. A few contemporary individuals who claim to have had contact with extraterrestrial beings or who serve as emissaries for alleged extraterrestrial messages include 1. Elena Danan. Elena Danan is a contactee, emissary, and author who has had contact with Nordic extraterrestrial beings from the Pleiades star system. Unlike many others who channel communications, Elena actually transfers direct contact via an implant. She shares her experiences and insights into extraterrestrial contact through her writings and interviews. 2. Ricardo Gonzalez. Ricardo Gonzalez is a contactee from Peru who claims to have had encounters with extraterrestrial beings, including beings from the Andromeda Galaxy. He shares his experiences and messages from these beings through lectures, workshops, and interviews. 3. Barbara Lamb. Barbara Lamb is a licensed psychotherapist and regression therapist who specializes in working with individuals who claim to have had extraterrestrial encounters with Nordic ETs, including contactees and abductees, though she does not claim to have had contact herself. She has written several books on the subject and shares her insights through lectures and workshops. 4. Mary Rodwell. Mary Rodwell is a certified clinical hypnotherapist and regression therapist who works with individuals who claim to have had contact with extraterrestrial beings, including Nordic ETs. She is the founder of the Australian Close Encounter Resource Network, ACERN, and has written extensively on the subject. Reports of encounters with Nordic ETs often involve messages of love, unity, and spiritual awakening, along with guidance on topics such as personal growth, planetary transformation, and the evolution of consciousness. Some individuals who contact Nordic ETs report receiving teachings and insights aimed at fostering greater awareness, compassion, and interconnectedness among humans. While Nordic ETs and their quest to help mankind resonates with many, official government reports continue to deny the existence of extraterrestrials and UFOs. The Nordic ETs and their mission to assist humanity reflects broader themes of hope, spiritual awakening, and the search for meaning in the context of a world that has sunk about as low as it can get. Time will prove that the Nordic ETs, among others, will forever be remembered as the angels from above that led our civilization into a more harmonious and enlightened future. As we explore the vast mysteries of the universe, the possibility of encountering beings from distant realms, such as the Nordic extraterrestrials, captivates our imagination. Their enigmatic presence offers a glimpse into the endless wonders beyond our comprehension. If you've enjoyed delving into the realms of the unknown with me, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. By joining our free YouTube community, you're not just supporting our exploration, but you're also embarking on a journey of discovery together. Let's continue to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, one video at a time. Until next time, keep searching.